Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I just wanted to share with you a new film simulation app that has been released. Now, if you follow the channel, you know that we've shared a lot of recipes from the Fuji X Weekly website. Tons of film simulation recipe videos, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, follow along. We share film recipes, photos, all things Fuji. But in this video, we shared before a app that has been put out by the Fuji X Weekly website. There was a version for iOS. It is now available on Android. I just downloaded it onto my phone and it looks pretty good. Now there's a couple of things to be aware of. The app is free. It's a free download to get. I will leave a link to the Google Play Store so you can get this on your Android phone. I'll also leave a link to my video on the iOS so you can check that out if you're using an iPhone or an iPad. Now, it has over 100 different film simulations that are on there, and you can do all different searches to look for different ones. There's some sample images. As you scroll through, you'll see all the different simulations. You'll see a few sample images for each one. Now, the app is free, but there is also a paid version that you can subscribe to. And what happens with the paid version is you will receive kind of film simulations that are released before the general public will see it on the app, and it's kind of a subscription, a way to help support the website and the app. Now there's tons of them on there for free, so I encourage you to check it out and let me know in the comments below what some of your favorites are, and hopefully you enjoy the app. Now the Android users aren't left out of this awesome film simulation app. Thanks for watching, everybody. That was a quick one today. I've got some more videos in the works, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, join along. If you have questions about Fuji, Fuji film simulations, Fuji cameras, I use the Fuji X-T4. Don't hesitate to leave me a comment on this video or any other video, and I'll try to get back to you and maybe even answer a question in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day and get out there and take some pictures.